Let's install blinker indicators together. We'll start by gaining access to the battery pack by removing the battery panel. We'll then use a key to unlock and drop the battery pack out of the bike. There may also be a clip to depress before the battery will come out all the way. We'll now be working predominantly on the left side of the bicycle at the mid-drive. We'll remove the cover to the Bosch CX motor to gain access to the connection ports. We have two ports to consider, the low power port in green and the high power port in orange. Either will work for blinker, but our low power port is already in use from the factory setup, so we'll go with the high power port. A Bosch Gen 4 CX motor will be different and use a square plug, but the Generation 4.5 and 5 will use the round connector we have here. Gen 4.5 and 5 are considered Bosch's smart system. We'll then connect our desired end connector to our blinker wiring harness, red to red and black to black. Now it's really all about cable management. Luckily, e-bikes already show you where you should run wires since it already has them. So your best bet is to follow your blinker wires right alongside your OEM wires. No matter what, just avoid heat, friction, or pinching. Once you have them exit out of the frame, we can remove the old grip and start connecting the new one. The blinker logo will face the sky and the button will be facing towards you. Connect either of the wires to the grip, installing the clamping ring as well, and tighten down the grip. We'll repeat on the other side. Now we'll plug in the wiring harness into our high power port, reinstall the mid-drive cover, and clean up the rest of the wiring. Once the battery is installed, using your key again, you can reinstall the battery cover. Blinker should now turn on when you turn on your e-bike, and flash when you press the button. Check out the written instruction manual and get your blinker set at blinker.de.